Is it time to move on? Perhaps you've done many great things, grown your entity or team and the business significantly, but there's no clear promotion opportunity, and the things that you've been doing outside of your day job seem a little bit more interesting. Many of my executive clients are successful people who are at their career crossroads. So here's my advice in 3 minutes as you're weighing up your options. 1. Understand who you are today, your brand as distinct from who you've been for your employer to date. It's important if you were wanting to switch sectors or represent a different customer. 2. Consolidate. Review your portfolio of experiences and don't sell yourself short. We forget what great things we've done, so revisit them and remind yourself of how brilliant you are. 3. Understand what you want more of as you look ahead and what you want less of. This will help you in choosing the right opportunity and possibly negotiating the terms. What conditions do you need to say yes? 4. Do your due diligence. It's easy to settle for the first offer. It's flattering even, but ultimately it may not give you the right opportunities to do something new or grow. We can all sell ourselves a good story as to why we should take this offer, which is okay, but know that that's a possibility. 5. Don't get caught up with the gaps in your CV. We can all feel we have to justify those gaps, and we often self-filter ourselves out of opportunities. It doesn't matter how senior or experienced you are, it happens, especially among women. It's highly likely you have transferable skills. So acknowledge some gaps so you can speak into them at interview, but also have an opinion about how your experiences will help their mission and why that's important to you. Avoid the checklist and talk about what skills are really most relevant and why. 6. Test your assumptions about your decision making. Often we think, well, this employer will give me X and Y compared to that other opportunity. Maybe. And maybe not. Maybe there are other advantages that you're not weighing truthfully, and a simple pros and cons exercise may still leave you with niggling doubts. And finally, 7. Develop a new point of view. We may not see it, but if we've had a high profile and are widely respected, it's this persona, rightly or wrongly, that future employers may be strongly attracted to. 2 things here. Whether you're looking at shifting your brand a little or looking to leverage that persona, having a new point of view is critical. Where are you heading to next? How are you the person to help them deliver on the strategy and execution of their mission? Working with a coach can help you refresh yourself, give you space to acknowledge what you're brilliant at so you don't undersell yourself, and help you work out what's most important about your next move. A coach can also help you prepare and rehearse for those vital interviews. Make the right move, not just the next move.